Hello again. Now that we learned what MU3 is, we can dive into the BlockCommunicator app. I will do my best to guide you through this exciting journey of conversation self-custody and teach you how you can communicate securely and share your data without the risks of data mining and data ownership loss. What is BlockCommunicator, you may ask? BlockCommunicator is a decentralized application, a blockchain-based alternative to traditional email, messaging, and data sharing platforms. It empowers users to communicate on-chain in a self-custodial manner, ensuring security and preserving data ownership. Built on the MU3 infra stack, the BlockCommunicator is representing one of the possible use cases, showing the way towards future peer-to-peer on-chain communication. I'm sure that questions are popping up left and right, but don't worry, we will address them step by step. This tutorial will be segmented into 6 parts: connecting to the app Testnet, setting up the encryptor, minting the PX storage NFT, composing on-chain end-to-end encrypted block mails while sharing data files, and sending on-chain end-to-end encrypted block messages, and creating on-chain chat rooms. We will also touch base on some premium features such as block mail whitelisting and big data file sharing. Let's first connect to the app. Visit testnet.blockcommunicator.com and click the Connect button. Choose your wallet connection method, confirm the terms, and connect to the app. At this stage, let's clarify that the BlockCommunicator is a blockchain-based application that needs a Web3 wallet to work. It is currently powered by the Soneium Minato Testnet. Before getting started, bridge the Sepolia ETH to Soneium Minato Testnet to fund your wallet, as processes within the app need gas to execute transactions. The BlockCommunicator dashboard is your mission control. It provides the overview of the key information needed. It lets you set up self-custodial communication encryption via the encryptor extension and manage decentralized storage with PX storage NFTs. Let's first install and set up the encryptor extension. Follow the provided link and install the encryptor to your browser. I'm currently using Vivaldi browser, but you can use any Chromium-based browsers such as Chrome, Brave, Opera, Epis, Edge, Arc, and the list goes on. Set up your password and be sure to save your seed phrase so you will be able to restore your encryptor on any other computer. Encryptor extension is a fully self-custodial Chrome extension that enables highly secure encryption of on-chain communication by user-owned private keys. By registering, you will trigger a blockchain transaction and record your encryptor public key on the blockchain. After confirmed blockchain transaction, your encryptor is ready. This action is needed to enable visibility of your public key so your friends can find you and establish a connection. To clarify, the sender needs the receiver's public key to be recorded on the blockchain, while the secret key is calculated based on the private and public keys. With that out of the way, let's turn our focus on Pollination X decentralized storage NFTs. Pollination X storage NFTs enable self-custodial decentralized storage management native to the MU3 framework. Bandwidth usage depends on the number of uploads to decentralized storage. Connect to PX Storage NFT service and confirm the transaction with your wallet. Now you can mint your first storage NFT. NFTs are available and programmed with predetermined storage and bandwidth capacity and can be minted according to specific needs. Just to note, 100 megabytes free storage NFT is available within the Testnet. Additional NFTs will be available in mainnet. The BlockCommunicator app is changing the narrative of traditional email and data sharing, empowers you to send and receive end-to-end encrypted block mails or share your data, protecting against all sorts of security threats such as phishing, spoofing, spam, or identity theft. It's completely resistant to data mining and data ownership loss. It enables provable conversation ownership, trustless information exchange with unconfiscatable communication data. While encryption is optional, we strongly encourage its use. Okay, let's get started. Let's access the Compose New tab. The receiver's address is his or her wallet address. We are adding ENS support to the stack, so don't worry, user-friendly addresses are coming. Just to note, the sender and receiver must be on the same blockchain, as cross-chain emailing is not supported. After filling out the email form, we can add the attachments. BlockCommunicator also acts as a Web3 alternative to WeTransfer data sharing, but with a big difference. The attachments are encrypted and uploaded to decentralized storage, which you alone control with your PX Storage NFT. There is no limit to the size of your attachments. The only metric is the storage NFT size. For example, if you own 1 GB NFT, you can share up to 1 GB in data file size. Click the Send button and confirm the transaction with your wallet. You will see attachments uploaded to decentralized storage. After transaction confirmation, the transaction details open. Check transaction details at your discretion. At this point, I would like to clarify that sharing data files via BlockCommunicator comes free of data mining and is resistant to data ownership loss. You as a user are in complete control over your encrypted conversation and data. You and you alone control the encryption and storage private keys. Because every encrypted block mail or block message is represented as a blockchain transaction, your conversation and data sharing are on-chain, confirmable, and immutable. To check the incoming block mails, access the inbox page available within the Mail menu. List of received mails opens. BlockCommunicator also enables advanced features such as block mail whitelisting. Block mail whitelisting protects you from potential phishing as it empowers you to approve wallet addresses so only authorized accounts can send you block mails. This smart contract-based feature comes in extremely handy when dealing with sensitive and valuable communication, like approving payments. To set up account whitelisting, access the Setting page available within the main menu. Add accounts, i.e. wallets, by pasting them in the designated form. Confirm the transaction with your wallet and you are done. BlockCommunicator also enables DMs and on-chain chat rooms. Access the chat page. Add the person to your conversation by clicking plus and pasting his or her wallet address to the designated field. Type the message, confirm it by pressing the Enter key on your keyboard and confirm the transaction with your wallet. Just to note, the receiving party had to have installed and registered Encryptor extension on the same blockchain for the communication to work. Creating group chat is easy. Click on the plus within the chat page, select the group option, add group members by pasting their wallet addresses. In comparison with legacy messaging platforms, BlockCommunicator enables you to retain complete control over your chat conversation. Your messages are end-to-end encrypted and distributed over the blockchain. There is no centralized database, only your private key unlocks the conversation. Okay, we covered the basics of the BlockCommunicator app. Feel free to explore and discover all the app features and functionalities. The digital data we generate every day powers the internet, fueling Web 2 communication platforms and AI. Protecting your data is essential. By maintaining control over your data, you safeguard ownership and enhance your security in the expansive realm of the metaverse. That's it, guys. Thanks for sticking it to the end. For more information, visit us at imu3.io.